Hi everyone, and welcome back to Greattalk Debate. Today we'll be going over the role of a first speaker. It is important to note that the exact role of a first speaker will differ depending on the format of debating you participate in, but here is the general overview. First, it is always important to define the motion. This could mean a range of things, the main one being that you explain what keywords in the topic mean. You don't have to define obvious words like would or the, but make sure you paint a picture to clarify what important words mean. For example, if the motion is that this house believes violent sports should be banned in schools, it would be very helpful for the debate if you defined what violent sports are and gave a few examples. The goal isn't to be sneaky or overly narrow. This can actually lead to a common mistake called squirreling, which there will be a video on soon, but rather it is to make sure both teams are debating the same thing. A good definition is clear, fair, and logical. Second, present your pathway to victory. This is like a slogan for how you win the debate, and you can paint a picture of the impacts you wish to claim and why they mean you win the debate. For example, if the motion was, "This house would ban animal testing," your pathway to victory could include, "We believe protecting animal welfare is the most important thing in this debate and that it outweighs any small benefits of testing, which is why we win this debate if we prove to you that animal welfare is improved on our side of the house." Of course, you would have to later on in your speech prove why animal welfare is the most important, but this shows the adjudicator how you will win the debate. This also helps the other team and your team stick to the most important arguments. Third, present the case. This is the set of arguments, which can be called substantive arguments, and they are the main points you are trying to persuade the judge of. Usually, there may be 2 to 3 substantives that the first speaker introduces, and the second speaker may introduce a split or supporting argument. To find out more about second speaker, check out our channel. Make sure that the argument clearly steps through why it is true, and that it has clear impacts showing why it is important in the debate and why it means you win. To learn more about how to construct a substantive argument, check out our page. Finally, conclude your speech with a quick summary of the debate, or hammer home your impacts. How exactly you style your conclusion can be up to you, and there are various interpretations, but the general idea is to either remind everyone in the debate of the main points or to reinforce why you win. Thank you so much for joining us for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome debating content. See you next time!